So Sabrina has a rib out right here. So where the rib head meets the mid-back, that joint is not moving very good. And what it'll do is create some scar tissue, so we're gonna adjust that area right there, okay? Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And all the way out, just relax it. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Oh, that was good.
Get another one here, deep breath in. All the way